Hi guys, welcome to another video and welcome to the channel. I'm Dima. Now, are you in that stage in your life as a trader where it's almost like nothing is working out? It's almost like every single trade is meant to be a losing trade. Like that next trade is meant to be a losing trade even before you even place that. It's like the market is timing you or something like that, and then things are not working out for you. Now this is the video for you. So if you know someone that will need this video, or you are the person, which is why I know you must have been watching this video by now, then stick to the end because this is a must watch for struggling traders. So let's get started, guys. So what to do when trading isn't working out for you. Now as a trader, believe me, trading is the journey of trading is not a fairy tale, as in it's not a Cinderella movie or a Cinderella story. There are ups and downs. Yes, if there's no one telling you about that, the ups and downs, you are surely going to experience that. I don't know, it's not like I'm sending a bad wish out there, but believe me, I've been here for some time to figure these things out. Understand? Yes. It's not an all smooth journey where everything is just. In fact, it's not like what you see people post online and all that. Things can get bad. Yes, it can get bad. It's a matter of how you control it or how you handle it. Yes, that's actually what separates the good traders from the I don't know, from the other traders. Let me put it that way. So now in this video we'll be looking at what to do when it's almost like nothing is working out for you. Yes, you are using your strategy or you are not. You have been trying a lot of things, and then it's almost like every trade is just hitting that block, hitting the stop loss, or things are just going from bad to worse no matter what you do. You understand? So let's get started, guys. But then before we even look at before we even go further, let's look at what it means by things not working out, what it means by things going bad. You understand? Because that's the thing, people don't even know when things are going bad, or when they don't know the line. Let me just put it, the line. You understand? So you need to know when things are really like, oh bro, I need to do something. Things are like, you understand that feeling when you know, when you get to this point, no, things have really gotten bad at this point. That's what I mean. So you need to know that point. So let's look at those points actually, because they're like in a level kind of thing. So now, how we rate bad and what you should do at every point in this flow. Now I made this in a table. We have the loss in percentage of accounts, like your total account in percentage, because here's the thing, guys, in trading we work in percentages. We don't it's not a kind of I lost $100 a day or I lost $1 million a day. Yes, I know that's by the way, but we just want to know the percentage here, guys. That's how we track. This is like our metric. Percentage, work in percentages, percentage profit, percentage loss, percentage risk, percentage profit, percentage margin, whatever. This is our metric here, guys. So get used to this, guys, because I'm not going to be doing like an exact amount because everyone has his or her own trading balance and they're different. So work with percentage because that's the metric we use here, guys. So and the second one is what you should do at any point in time. So your loss in percentage, sorry, and what you should do. So let's start with 0 to 25%. As you can see, before I go further, you can see I organize them in colors so that you know exactly how intense each state gets. Understand? So it's from up to down. So let's get straight to it. From 0 to 25% loss. Now at this point you're still in your green zone, what I call the green zone. You understand? Keep doing what you're doing, keep trading, but obviously don't feel too relaxed. If it's going from 0 to 1, from 0 to -1 to -5 to -10 to -20 or even 20, if it's going like this, I think you should be although you should just keep your composure. Understand? Because the point is, you can, so far as within this range, you can easily bounce back I don't know if I should use the word easily, but you can bounce back, you understand? It's still like a range, you understand? Like, how would I put an arm's length from getting back, understand? If you really have a good trading plan and a good trading strategy as a trader and all that, it's really within arm's range, because at this point you're still in the green zone. Just keep trading, anything can happen. I keep telling you, just ensure that you're in the market, keep trading, stick to your trading plan, maintain your composure, maintain your cool. Whatever you have been doing that's been working for you, just continue doing your thing, understand? But then from minus 25 to minus 50, now this is like the point where you'll be like, oh yes, now things are really not getting funnier, understand? You just have to know that things are not getting funny at this point. Yes, because you are now getting to the point where getting back will be kind of difficult. Yes, that's what it means. So here at this point, you have to be extra careful with the moves you make. Extra careful. It doesn't mean that you shouldn't be careful at any stage. That's why I added this word extra. You have to be extra careful with the moves you make in the market. Take fewer trades. Apply stricter risk management, you understand? And then avoid silly mistakes. That's it, guys. Now at this point, you don't want to be taking silly risks. There's what we call silly risks, unnecessary risks. This is not the point for experiment. At this point, there is no experiment. Let me tell you guys, if there's anything that if there's any trade you're about to take and then you're having double mind or kind of, this is not it, guys. At this point, you just have to take things very, 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 very careful. The point where you be like, if things get worse from this part, then you're in huge trouble. So that's it. At this point, be extra careful, take fewer trades, apply stricter risk management. You have been applying risk management before, but then at this point, apply stricter risk management. These are the things you should have been doing already, but I know that's why I'm adding extra. You can see extra, stricter, understand? Because it's not like before now you shouldn't be careful, or before now you shouldn't be applying risk management, or before now you should just be taking every trade you see. No, that's why if you look very carefully, all these three things have to do with the three things, what I call the three pillars of success in trading. That's risk and money management, trading psychology, and trading strategy. They all get here. So this is the part where you have to like work on these things and be extra careful. That's the whole point. But then here's the thing: from 50% loss and below, guys, retreat. Yes, retreat. And that's the thing, guys. This is exactly why people blow this account. Because the truth is, when I was actually deciding on the title of this video, I was kind of wondering whether to use the title why people blow their accounts, or whether to use the title we're using now, which is what to do when things are not going back. Because the truth is, this is actually why people lose accounts. Because at this point, look at it, at this point you are full of revenge. You want to get your money back, understand? You want to get your money back. You're going to be trying everything possible, understand, to get your money back. Entering trades, buying signals from anywhere, looking for help here and there, because at this point you'll be like, you're all over the place, in fact, understand? But then this is how the market wants you to act. People don't get it here, guys. Please, if you know anyone that will need this video, please refer them to this video, because this is very, very important. Because here's the thing: the market wants you to be thinking in a certain way at any point in time, understand? Because I keep telling people, the money made in the market is when people are losing money, then there are people making money. There's no free cash lying around. It's when people are losing money that people are making money here. So the market needs money to be going. It needs people to be losing money, kind of, so that people that are making it will be making it. That's it. So that's why I can't say that's how the game is designed to work, because that would mean that like there's someone controlling the game. Obviously, that's the story for another day. But then if you're going to permit that, then I'm going to say that's how the market is designed to work. It's designed to make you think that way, because at that point that you're most liable to lose your money. And at this point, the funny thing is that at this point, say from this 50 minus 50 range, this minus 50% range, the things now start going very, very as in bad, like from bad to worse and from worse to worse, and the worst is like blowing your account. That's zero, like your account being zero. So from that minus 50 to losing everything, these things can happen in a day. You can just blow everything in a day from this point, because at that point you're all over the place. You're all over the place and just trying things. The truth is this: anything you have been doing now that haven't been working and done, and now you have lost half of your account, then there is no point trying it from now on. From this point, that's just the truth. If you have been doing anything and then for any reason you from 100% you are now down to 50%, that's half of your account, I think you should chill, you should calm down. Retreat doesn't mean you should stop being a trader. Retreat doesn't mean giving up. Retreat means going back a bit, evaluating yourself, understand, checking your strategy, checking where you're getting things wrong, giving yourself time, going back to your training or whatever, or whoever taught you. It's kind of revising yourself, understand. So gradually you start getting back, because obviously when you're revising, start again by trying on demo, understand, try test running things again on demo, understand, and then hopefully when you start with seeing that consistency you were seeing before that made you a trader, now you can get back into the market. That's just it. Otherwise, if you're still in a hurry at this point to make money, then I will advise, although I'm not a big fan of this advice, but I'm just putting it out there because it's better. It's even better if you know someone you trust. But I'm not a big fan of this advice I'm bound to be now. But it's still something. It's still a choice to consider. You can give a tested and trusted trader your account to manage at that point. Understand? Because at that point you're not just you're not just fit. You're not fit to be trading at that point in time, because things are really going very, very bad for you. So at this point you need to retreat. It's okay to retreat. That's it. People don't know when is to stop and when to start and when to continue. These are very, very important, guys, and this is why people blow accounts. Understand? These little things, because at this point you're feeling that every trade, like the next trade, is going to be that trade that will give you that 50%. Like, are you really thinking? Do you know what 50% of an account is? Warren Buffett, one of the richest men in the whole world, he targets 20 to 25% yield. That's like his mark. 20 to 25% a year. That's what he targets. And now you want to make 50% in a day or in a week or in a month. That's just crazy. That's crazy. You understand? So anything, like I said, anything that you have been doing, and then at this point you reach this point, I think you should just stop everything far and then start re-evaluating yourself. In essence, just retreat and then try to get yourself together before you start talking about getting anywhere close to the market again. So now let's conclude everything. So now in conclusion, the best traders know when to stay in and out of the market. This is a very underrated skill here, guys. Knowing when to stay in and out of the market is very, very underrated. People don't know when to stay in and out of the market, and if you don't know when you should like trade and when not to trade, I think you have a very big problem. I'm going to speed the facts because that's all we are here about. If you want to be in a channel where you be hearing the nice things and continue losing money, then go check another place. There are many channels out there, but here we speak the truth. Understand? So know when to trade and when not to trade. This is not jamboree. We don't play games here. Understand? So if you play games, if you're careless, if you're carefree like a child running around the hallway, things are going to go really bad for you here. So stick to your trading plan no matter what. Never go against it. That's the second conclusion we can draw to this. The whole point of this is not to make you change your trading plans. You can see there's no point in this PowerPoint where I said you should go against your plan. Understand? Because if there was a point, maybe if there was going to be like a misunderstanding, it's going to be about the takeaway here is to retreat, not change your plan or do anything. Because the truth is this is the way the trading plan is your starting stage. Your starting stage is as a trader. So if you get it wrong, I don't even know why you're even trading in the first place. Yes, I said that. So that's why if I thought you have generated a trading plan, then you should stick to it, because this is basically it, guys. Understand? So if you have a bad training, sticking to your trading plan doesn't mean if you have a whack trading plan you should stick to it. Obviously, I don't mean you should stick to nonsense. Understand? So sticking to trading plan is if you have generated a system or an algorithm or a plan, in fact, that's been working for you before now. You understand that you have tested and is consistent for you as a trader. Now you have a plan, and if for any reason, because the market is not like I said, it's not a straight line. It's not like an all rosy or Cinderella movie where things are just they're going in your plan. And there are going to be ups and downs. So if you have tested this in every environment and then you have generated this trading plan and it's been working for you, then I think these little gaps called bad moments in trading shouldn't be the reason why you should change it. That's just the whole common sense in this. So that's why your trading plan is everything. You should be very, very careful and articulate and meticulous in generating your trading plan, because that's you as a trader, your trading plan. So never go against this. If you're finally gotten a system working for you, the only thing you need to do is to know when to do what you're supposed to do. That's just it. So always stay focused. Things can go, like I said, things can go from bad to worse. If you feel, that's why I keep telling people at this point, people will be like they want to get their money back. They don't realize that losing 50% is bad, but losing 100%, that's losing more 50%, is worst. That's it. At this point, you feel minus 50 is the worst result you can get. You don't know that tomorrow you can lose, it can get to minus 60, and next tomorrow it can get to minus 70 and minus 80. Understand? At this point, you feel like, oh, the market is going to have mercy on me, and kind of understand this is what I'm going to lose. Let me just keep looking for ways to regain my money. Well, if that works for you, good luck. But I know this, and I've had experiences from fellow traders, so I'm not just speaking from my own point of view. This is the experience of many traders that have been in this game for quite some while now, talking all at once through me, because that's what I did a lot of research into this before making this video. So that's it, guys. At this point, just know, at any point, I don't know where you are right now as a struggling trader watching this, we have all been there. No one is crucifying you or castigating you. We're just here to help you, because we have all been there, believe me, and most of us, we have had it worse, believe me. Most of us has seen worse. Understand? So you have, the whole essence here is that you have to be very, very careful as a trader. This is not some child's play, and that's where you have to learn how to trade, guys. That's very, very important. Learn how to trade. You have to get your education right here, guys. Understand? That's the whole point of everything. I don't care who you choose to learn from, or where you choose to learn from, or how you choose to learn from, or when you choose to learn. Understand? All I just know is that you just have to get your learning game right, because there are a lot of things you are dealing with here, guys. There are a lot of things. So if you want to be part of our trading community, I just put this out there at the end of all my videos. It's nothing too pushy. If you want to, the link to join our channel will be down below. So that's it, guys. I just hope this helps, and then if you know anyone that will need this video, please kindly refer them to this video. Also subscribe, because we have a lot of these contents coming out, contents that are meant to help you grow as a trader. Also like the video, it helps the algorithm, so YouTube recommends this video to a lot of people. People need this video, guys, because we have, like I said, I myself have been in these shoes. There are points where you're clueless, like you don't have any idea of what to do at that point in time. You're just clueless, you're just blank. Let me just use the word blank. So people need this video. So whatever you are doing to let this video get viral and let people know about this, then I think you're a hero, you're a superhero. So that's it, guys. Remember, subscribe, like, and share this video if you have friends who might need it. So that's it guys, see you in the next video. Cheers, and always remember, stay careful.